In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a blog post using copy.ai. The process is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to leverage artificial intelligence to jumpstart and streamline your content creation. Let's dive right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to copy.ai. It's a platform designed to assist with various writing tasks, making it an invaluable tool for bloggers, marketers, and anyone looking to optimize their content strategies. If you haven't already done so, ensure that you're logged in to access the full suite of features available. Once you're on the main dashboard of copy.ai, look around for the Workflow Library option. You'll usually find this in the navigation menu. This section houses a variety of pre-designed workflows tailored to different writing needs. Clicking on the Workflow Library will bring you to a catalog filled with options that can help you create high-quality content effortlessly. Next, use the search function to locate the specific tools you need for blogging. In the search bar, type blog. This will filter the available workflows so you can view only those relevant to crafting blog posts. The search results should now display several blog-focused options to streamline your writing process. Among the options that appear, look for the one labeled Try This. Selecting this option allows you to interact with a recommended workflow designed specifically for blogging. It's designed to guide you step by step from ideation to the final draft, ensuring that no critical elements are left out. When you click Try This, you'll be directed to a new page where you can begin outlining your blog post. At this stage, you need to input a detailed content brief. This brief is crucial because it informs the AI about the desired direction and tone of your blog post. Be sure to include key points, the intended audience, the purpose of the blog, and any other specific details that you want to be reflected in the content. After inputting the content brief, simply run the workflow. This process typically involves the AI generating text based on your brief. The beauty of copy.ai is how swiftly it can produce compelling, coherent paragraphs that you can use directly or further refine as needed. As the content generates, feel free to make adjustments and edits to ensure it aligns perfectly with your vision. There you have it. A complete walkthrough for writing a blog post using copy.ai. This method not only saves time but also enhances creativity and productivity by offering diverse ways to express your ideas. With practice, you'll find that this tool can become an integral part of your content creation arsenal. Thanks for tuning in, and happy writing!